friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking kielbasa sausage and potatoes in the air fryer. So what we need is potatoes, kielbasa, or we can use any kind of pre-cooked sausage, and we need seasonings. I'll use salt, pepper, and we also need olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil as well. So first I'm going to peel and cut the potatoes. If you don't want to peel them, you don't have to, it's up to you. So let me peel them. And now once the potatoes are peeled, let's cut them into pieces. So now let's put potato pieces in a bowl. And I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. And sprinkle in the salt and pepper. I'm going to toss them so they're coated with oil and seasonings. And now I will start cooking the potatoes because potatoes take longer to cook than kielbasa. So I will start the potatoes and add kielbasa later. So let's take out the air fryer basket and I'll add the potatoes. And put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. And now, while the potatoes are cooking, I'm going to cut the kielbasa into pieces. So let me just open the package. Let's cut kielbasa into pieces. So now we'll set this aside and wait for the potatoes to cook, and then we'll add them later. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the potatoes. They're really looking good. So nicely golden brown on the outside. So I'm just going to mix them so they cook more evenly. Because they're not done cooking, they're just somewhat cooked. And I'm going to now add kielbasa. So I'm just going to add it on top. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at that, amazing kielbasa and potatoes, perfect one-pot dinner. This is so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now let me take it out of the air fryer. It looks amazing. And the potatoes, some kielbasa are perfectly cooked. Let me just cut the potatoes. See, it's so soft inside. Cuts so easily. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It tastes amazing. You're going to love kielbasa and potato. It's so easy to cook them in the air fryer. So delicious. Perfect dinner. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!